Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, and in this case, little coin shop. This is just a really quick one. Connor will link somewhere around me a link to the Dragon and Tiger, no, Tiger and Dragon 2 kilo coin that was released a couple of weeks ago at least. We sold out really rapidly, and we were very fortunate that we begged and crawled and grovelled, and we actually managed to score a few more of them out of Perth Mint. So we'll show them quickly here. So if you remember, it was a bit of a discussion about whether it was a bear and dragon or a tiger and dragon, but it's actually the tiger and dragon. I stand corrected, it's the dragon and tiger.
Well, there you go.
There you go. We've got those back in stock. Little Coin Shop's got them back in stock. They're a stunning 2 kilo coin. I'm not going to go through it all over again, but click on the link, have a look at the full review on it, and I think you see Matt and I argue partway through that one as well. And then it comes in this fantastic little presentation case, all keyed up into there. So you get to put part of it back together yourself. They're back in stock. There's only a few of them. They are incredibly limited, and if I was really organised, I would have looked that up before we filmed. Connor, 200?
Sure.
I think it's 200.
Yeah, I think that's what you said last video.
Yeah, don't check the video link that's somewhere around me right now and review that, but I'm pretty sure they're limited to 200. They go really quickly because you can't get, there is nothing else really in the 2 kilo coin other than this. It's not really a series, but the few over the last couple of years that Perth Mint have released. So a great, stunning coin. Grab them while you can.